Hello and welcome. To solve the logarithmic equation on the board, we will start by changing the base of the logarithm on the right to match the base of the logarithm on the left. So applying our change of base formula, we have that log to base 3 of 3x plus 2 is equal to log to base 3 of 4x plus 5 divided by log to base 3 of 9. Now let us look at this denominator. We have log to base 3 of 9. But of course, we know that 9 is equal to 3 squared. And of course, let us remember that log to base a of a to power b is equal to b. So log to base 3 of 3 to the power 2 is equal to 2. So we have that log to base 3 of 9 is equal to 2. So this denominator is going to be equal to 2. Now let us cross multiply. We have that log to base 3 of 4x plus 5 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2 times log to base 3 of 3x plus 2. Now, of course, you know that we can apply the power rule of logarithms to this right-hand side. We can take up this multiplier to become an exponent of 3x plus 2. When we do that, this right-hand side becomes log to base 3 of 3x plus 2 squared. And of course, from here, we have that log to base 3 of 4x plus 5 is equal to log to base 3 of 3x plus 2 squared. Now let us compare these two sides. We have that log to base 3 of this is equal to log to base 3 of that. So that simply means that 4x plus 5 is equal to 3x plus 2 squared. Now let us expand this. We have 3x squared, which is 9x squared, plus 2 times 3x is 6x times 2, that is 12x, plus 2 squared is 4. And of course, this is still equal to 4x plus 5. Now let us take these two terms over to the right-hand side. When we do that, we have 0 left on the left-hand side, and this is equal to 9x squared plus 12x minus 4x plus 4 minus 5. On the right-hand side, we have 9x squared plus 12x minus 4x is 8x, and 4 minus 5 is minus 1. And from here, we have that 9x squared plus 8x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we can solve this quadratic equation by factorization. Let us use the table method. The factors of 9x squared are x and 9x. And the factors of minus 1 are 1 and minus 1. When we multiply x by minus 1, we have minus x. And when we multiply 9x by 1, we have 9x. And 9x minus x is equal to 8x. So when we factorize this quadratic equation, what we have is x plus 1 multiplied by 9x minus 1 is equal to 0. And of course, from here we have that either x plus 1 is equal to 0 or 9x minus 1 is equal to 0. From here, we have that x is equal to minus 1. And from here, we have that 9x is equal to 1. Dividing both sides of this equation by 9, we have that x is equal to 1 over 9. So you can see that we have found two values of x that apparently satisfy this logarithmic equation, x equal to minus 1 and x equal to 1 over 9. Now, when we substitute minus 1 for x into the original equation, we have log to base 3 of 3 times minus 1 plus 2 is equal to half times log to base 3 of 4 times minus 1 plus 5. Now, remember that when we changed this term from base 9 to base 3, what we got was log to base 3 of 4x plus 5 over 2, which is exactly what I have written here. Now, simplifying this, we have log to base 3 of 3 times minus 1 is minus 3 plus 2 minus 1. And here we have half times log to base 3 of 4 times minus 1 is minus 4 plus 5, 1. But we cannot have the log of a negative number. So minus 1 is not acceptable. And when we substitute 1 over 9 for x into the original equation, we have log to base 3 of 3 times 1 over 9 plus 2 is equal to half times log to base 3 of 4 times 1 over 9 plus 5. 3 into itself is 1 and into 9 is 3. So here we have log to base 3 of 1 over 3 plus 2 is equal to, remember that we can apply the power rule to this. So we can take this half up to become an exponent. When we do that, this becomes log to base 3 of 4 over 9 plus 5 to power half. Now here we have log to base 3 of 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1, 7 over 3. And here we have log to base 3 of the square root, because of this half, of 9 times 5 is 45 plus 4, 49 over 9. And of course, we know that the square root of 49 over 9 is 7 over 3. So on the left hand side, we have log to base 3 of 7 over 3. And on the right hand side, we have log to base 3 of 7 over 3. So that means that the only value of x that satisfies this logarithmic equation is x equal to 1 over 9. And with that, we come to the end of today's tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoy such content, please subscribe to the channel. Leave us a like to support the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.